Mastering time management systems. Hey, Assalamu alaikum. I will sharing mastering time management systems. So you can how you can manage your times in these videos for your motivations. Thank you so much for watching these videos. First of all, I will telling one, plan your day. Write everything you want to achieve in a day. Write your goals. One is physical, prepare. Follow the 80-20 rules. 80% of your work will bring your 80% in your result. Stop multitasking. Switching tasks significantly results on your productivity. Focus on one task at a time. Remove word definition from your environment. When tired, take a nap. Learn to say no. You will never have each time if you say yes and everything. Delegate all of these important tasks. Don't waste this perfect time. Do it now. Anything that can be done is under 5 minutes should be done now. Do the task that you hate first. Set define. The task will never be finished without hands. Stop focusing and that don't help your edge and goals. Don't be a perfection when it's not required. Avoid all unnecessary meeting. Avoid negative people at all cost. Don't leave. Thank you so much for watching these videos.